Hey there, future YouTube stars. I'm Scott, a seasoned YouTube creator. And if you're considering starting your YouTube channel in 2024, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to ensure your channel gets noticed and stand out. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve, these tips will prepare you for success in today's consistently evolving YouTube environment. So let's get started. First, let's discuss what's different. YouTube in 2024 is quite similar to what it was a year ago. The platform is more competitive, driven by algorithms, and centered on the audience than ever before. This means that the quality of the content, consistency, and focus on a specific audience are crucial for success. In 2024, it's not just about uploading videos, it's about creating an experience that connects with the audience in 2024. In 2024, choosing a niche isn't optimal, it is essential. With millions of channels, you must narrow your focus to attract a specific audience, whether it's tech reviews, cooking tutorials, or fitness tips. The more specific your niche, the better your chances of building a loyal following. Remember, you want to be the big fish in the small pond, not the other way around. Now let's talk strategy. Your content strategy is your roadmap to success. Plan your videos, ensure they align with your niche, and aim for consistency. Posting regularly is key to staying relevant and keeping your audience engaged. And don't forget to mix things up. Try different video formats, lengths, and styles to see what resonates most with your viewers. Staying ahead of the curve is crucial. YouTube's algorithm is constantly evolving, so are viewers' preference. Now, in 2024, short-form content, YouTube Shorts continue to grow in popularity. Integrating trends into your content, like using trending sounds, participating in challenges, can boost your visibility. But remember, always stay true to your niche brand. Optimization is still king in 2024. Your title descriptions, tags, and thumbnails affect discovery of your videos. Use relevant keywords, create clickable thumbnails, and craft compelling titles that spark curiosity. And don't underestimate the power of the playlist. They can keep viewers on your channel longer and improve your video's watch time, a crucial factor for YouTube's algorithm. Remember, YouTube is more than just a platform, it's a community. Engage with your audience through comments, polls, and live streams. Respond to feedback, ask for suggestions, and make viewers feel part of the journey. Building a community around your content fosters loyalty, turns viewers into subscribers and fans. So are you ready to launch a YouTube channel in 2024? If you found these tips helpful, hitting that like button and subscribing are more than just actions. They're a way to show your support and stay updated with more insights growing your channel. Got questions or needed more advice? Drop them in the comments below and I'd love to help you out. Let's make 2024 the year your channel takes off. And thank you for watching. Remember, consistency, creativity, and community are your keys to success. Keep these in mind as you embark on your YouTube journey. And don't forget, in 2024, it's all about quality content, specific niche, a solid strategy, and audience engagement. See you in the following video. This is Scott. Peace out.